Okay, we are live. Oh, hello everyone. Happy Tuesday. So, here we are again live for our episode of Never Give Up Your Dreams and Be the Doer of Your Dreams, together with my business partner, Didet. Hi, Dad. Happy
Hi,
Tuesday.
happy Tuesday, Michelle. Thank you for hosting this again. And hello, everyone. Thank you for being here.
I am hoping that it won't stop my internet actually because I have a few internet here.
Mhm.
So I am in my second residence. I have very few internet. My phone is at the door, and my computer is here, just
Uh-huh.
connected together, so I can get my good signal. So hoping it won't stop. So today we have another episode 125,
Wow.
and we are going to talk about our topic. So, how can technology and automation tools assist a person without experience in efficient managing in online business? So, that's our topic for today. But before that, we would love to short introduction about us. So, my name is Michelle Hoop, and I am a digital online business owner, and also currently living here in Spain. And we are doing our episodes since I joined the business actually. But we have so many episodes that they're not counted. So me and Dedet, we just have last year, so we are now in 125 episodes. So how about you, Det? Would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. Thank you, Michelle. My name is Dideth. I'm from Toronto, Canada, and I'm a digital business owner just like Michelle. And I've been doing this for 4 years now.
Hmm. Short and sweet. So so we are going to our topic. So how can technology and automation tools assess a person without experience? As we always mention here in our online business, that anyone without a prior knowledge in technology or without any experience on how to build an online business or any kind of business before, so we have an efficient way to everyone on how to start an online business. So in our community, we are teaching everyone. We have a video-based training. So that is step-by-step training actually. So from the very beginning, you need to follow the training in order to set up your business. And when a person without any experience, I can say that there's so many of them in our community joining it without prior experience. Like one of our coaches that near with us, one of our friend like Marley. Marley also joined the business without any prior knowledge in computer until she gets into it in working online so many years now, for 5 years now, I guess. And you know that there's a very easy video, and there's also a mentor and coach that can help everyone on how to set up your business. For me, it's not just easy actually, but you need to know also how you need to have a little bit knowledge in English, because all of our training is based in English. So today in our community, we're trying to have a different translation like Spanish, Arabic, and there's also, I guess there's a lot. All translation is available now, but
Mhm.
we teach that people on how they can convert those video-based training with translation, so they can understand what really means to say in the training in the video, right? So there are some techniques. We are teaching everyone the techniques on how to be a tech savvy in this community actually. uh, Once a person really eager to learn how to become successful, you must follow, right? You must
Mhm.
know the guidelines. You need to do it step by step and make into your be resourceful, right? You need to be resourceful,
Mhm.
because there's so many inside the community that you can get a lot of knowledge, you can get a lot of things that you can apply it to your business. So sometimes there are some people sharing their own experience, and
Mhm.
through that experience, there's also, I think you can apply it, right? That
Correct. Yeah.
you can add more.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so this is why we always promote, or we always say that our business is, you don't really need experience because of the technology and the automation tools that we have in our program, or the business model that we have. So the technology, this automation tools, it make it easy for us to run our business, because these are the tools that helping us to do the work, right? So
Mm-hmm.
when we say tools, like what kind of tools, like, because we are working online, we have an online business, then we do need a website so that people can go into the website, right? We don't go talk to people, they it's online, so they we need a website. It's like our store, right? And also our business, our Facebook business page, and whatever social media that we are using. So these are the tools. We already have the website is done for you. The email marketing, usually you have to have an email, like, online business, there's always an email. When they submit an email, we send email. We don't do all that sending email. The system does that for us. So that's the beauty of having this technology and the automation tools, because we don't have to do all the techie stuff. As Michelle said, um, experience is not necessary, because these are all done in the background and someone is taking care of it. Um, we just need to be able to understand and speak English, because our training are in English, and of course, so that we can communicate and we can ask people. We kind of know what to ask questions if we speak English and we understand English, right? So, and because these are, for me, these are the tools are already done. This is what we call, like, sometimes when we mention like the heavy liftings are already done, these are the stuff that is done. This is what we mean because of the proven system. So what we do, because these are done, it is more on replying to our leads, posting into our page. So these are the things that we do. So the rest, the heavy stuff, is not us doing it. So it's done in the background. So so we don't need an experience. We just have to put time and focus on the things that we need to do, like posting and doing go live, like doing this. So it's more the fun stuff that we do, right? And
Yeah.
because of this are like, it's done, it's easy for someone who is new to get started, because everything is laid out. It just given it to you. The training is there. You have step by step, as what Michelle was saying. It's a video based training, so you can just go follow. If you don't, if you're not, if you don't have the time, then you just pause and then go back. So you
Mhm.
don't need an experience. You just, as long as you know how to follow steps, right? And of course, there's mentorship, there's coaching that will guide us, and the whole community is helping us to, like, if we need help, you can just ask the entire community, and everyone's are willing to help and support. So it is, it's not easy, but it is, there are support if you need support, and it is fun. I enjoy doing this. It's been 4 years now, and I enjoy my business, and you meet a lot of people. And because these are the heavy stuff are done in the background, or someone is doing it already because of our proven system, then we have more time to do, to enjoy our life, right? We can
Yeah.
go out, we go, like Michelle always go somewhere, travel here, and then we can just bring it wherever we are going, or we can do our business at home or anywhere we want. So that is the beauty of working online, working online. And of course, because it's online business, it's global. So the potential of the financial side is huge, because you don't wait for someone to, I mean, you don't go and talk to people. Even though you are doing something, then people are just going into your website, they sign up, and then when you wake up, there you got people. So yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, you're right. And as Didit mentioned about automation, it's really great to work on your business automation, right? Automated. Today, in these days, all of our community members are invited to Japan convention. So they went to Japan. They traveled to Japan this week, and some of them, they just said while they are traveling, they get the results, they get notification, and they are happy while they are enjoying the life. And how we wish also we are going to
And
Japan
go.
one day
Yeah.
through this business. So sorry. So it's very powerful to have your own mm, source, another source of living that you are ready to build, right? Ready
Mhm,
for you to
mhm,
start. Because as from my experience before, I have very difficult to find the business to build as it is my own, right? Because or else I will do in affiliate with a low, you know, that not doesn't work for me because I did started that. And so when I saw this business, when I watched the webinar, I said, oh really, this is very curious for me. And this
mhm,
I felt that there's something different in this business. So when
mhm,
I come in, imagine that if did it stay here for 4 years, now I am 3 years at the business,
mhm.
and I'm happy doing it.
Yeah.
And I am excited meeting new people, and you can see that 3 days ago I have three people. They are new for me because we never meet, and some of them, they are new in the business. They started like a few months ago, like 6 months ago and 3 months ago, and just like they feel how much joy this business can give them, how much flexibility this business can give them. And I'm so grateful that through this online business, I
Mhm,
have a lot of friends now uh, in any part of this world. So I know we meet only virtually, but in our community, there's always a probability or always the possibilities to meet us together.
mhm.
So imagine that when you go to one country, you have a friend. When you go to another country, you have a
Yeah.
friend, right? That's
I
fun.
know. Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess that's all we can share. And today is Tuesday. So
Mhm,
we have a webinar at 5 p.m. PST time. So if you want to watch our webinar live, you can get the link in our pages. You can go to our link. You can see our website. So you can register and enter your name and email address so you can receive the link through your email. That's the purpose of registration.
mhm.
Actually, so that you can receive the link of the webinar. And every webinar, we just sending you a replay. So if you don't have time, you cannot say that you don't have time, because even though when you go to sleep at night, before you go to sleep, if you want to hear some be inspired, or whatever you do, you want to be inspired, just get up and listen to the webinar. It's really encouraging. And
Yeah. Mhm,
we need to start to build our future. We need to look for the presence in the future, because the past is there, and
mhm.
that is our memories. But
Yeah.
going for our future is the one that we need to do today, and that is we need to take action today. So do you have some more to add that?
No, I think that's it. You've said everything. We're just inviting. Yeah, we already invited for our Tuesday uh, webinar, which is Thursday. So if anyone, I'm just gonna add, if anyone that is interested or curious and how to do this, or if you're looking for Plan B to have an extra income, or just wanted to learn new things, you wanted to learn how to work online, then sign up on Michelle's website or my website, and then we will be there to guide you. That's it.
Yeah,
And hope to
yeah.
see you there.
And if you love to travel like me, you must
Yeah.
sign up then. You have a business to go. You what do you call that? You can
On
carry your
business on the
business
go.
wherever you go.
Yeah.
Business to go.
Yeah.
So that's our episode for today. That's episode 125, and
Wow.
here in Never Give Up for Your Dreams and Be the Doer of Your Dreams. Looking forward for another episode or more episodes coming next week. So thank you, Deb.
Thank you, Michelle. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.